Hello, my name is Leonardo Jael Vargas Bermudez, civil engineering student. This presentation answers the four discussion questions about tricking filters using the three articles and the AI-generated podcast from Notebook LM. This assignment evaluates ABET Student Outcome 7, focused on acquiring and applying new knowledge through appropriate learning strategies. Across the three articles, several advantages of tricking filters are consistent. In Osman et al. Morocco, the TF showed strong removal of TSS and BOT, confirming it as a stable and low-energy option. In Tesema et al. Ethiopia, the system also achieved high organic matter reduction even under variable influent conditions, demonstrating reliability. Abbasni et al. Reported that the STTF configuration achieved high cut BOT, TSS and nutrient removal while remaining low cost and simple to operate. These strengths, low energy use, simplicity, and robustness were also highlighted in the AI podcast. Comparing the AI podcast with the three articles, I found several important omissions. The podcast did not mention that in Osman et al., nitrates in the effluent remained above irrigation limits. It also failed to report that in Tesema et al., chromium levels exceeded standards by up to 30 times, which is a major health concern. Additionally, issues with fecal coliforms in the Moroccan study were oversimplified. While the podcast gave a good general overview, it lacked the technical detail needed for engineering evaluation. The three articles reached different conclusions for technical reasons. In Abbasni et al., the STTF system met irrigation standards, while Osman et al. And Tesema et al. Concluded that their TF effluents did not meet requirements. One factor is influent quality. Abbasni's system receives pre-treated wastewater from a septic tank, reducing solid and loading. In contrast, the Moroccan and Ethiopian system received wastewater with higher nutrients, pathogens, or even heavy metals. Another difference is system design. Abbasnia used a staged system with recirculation and optimized media, improving biofilm performance. Finally, the K pollutant differ. Morocco failed due to nitrates and fecal coliforms, while Ethiopia failed due to chromium and metals. Therefore, the discrepancy is based on design choices, influent characteristics, and pollutant types, not on whether tricking filters work in general. Using the AI podcast helped me build a quick initial understanding of tricking filters, which supports ABET S07 by using emerging learning tools. However, the podcast left out essential details like nitrate values, coliform counts, and heavy metal concentrations. The opportunity of using AI is speed and accessibility, but the risk is depending on an incomplete summary. In engineering, missing technical details can lead to errors in decision making. I learned that AI summaries should be used as a starting point, but full scientific articles are necessary for accurate and responsible engineering judgment.